G'day, here's a small deal of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. I don't know what field. The rule's in millimetres and the material's been wetted. Basically they're just a few pieces of interest. Something like that you get just cut for the pattern, don't try to follow the seams. This piece, bright blue, it's been cut with a Dremel. Basically that's what you're going to get, I think. Again, just look for the seams, polish it as is. This piece doesn't have has a bit of colour through the middle there. Purple blue flash. It's the back. All the other idea would be to just cut this side into a shape and have the pattern of the potch, which is basically what's there on that side. This I've just thrown in because it was just another little piece. This piece is a piece of Koroite type material. Polish into a nice pendant perhaps. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.